Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you a tool called Sendgrid, which you can use in your email marketing. Now, Sendgrid has been around for a while. It's an SMTP software which has evolved into a full-fledged autoresponder. So you can do now everything with Sendgrid that you are used to doing in an autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse. So Sendgrid lets you create lists. You can create lists in your contact section, and you can upload all your lists here. Sendgrid supports imports, and it does not really prevent you from importing data. If you are approved for a Sendgrid account, you can import without any problem. So that's an advantage. And Sendgrid also supports automation. So if you're looking for email automations where people get into a list and you send them a series of emails, you can do that in Sendgrid, and people will get your emails according to the sequence that you put in. You can also do some pretty advanced stuff with Sendgrid because it's a full-fledged API platform. They've got very strong email API, and if you're somebody who's a technical person, or if you got a technical team, you can do some pretty good smart stuff with Sendgrid. Like in our company, we use Sendgrid, and we automatically send the leads that we get from all of our software into Sendgrid, where people start receiving our automation sequences. So to get started with Sendgrid, open an account and then create a new list. So to create a new list, click on add contacts and upload CSV if you're gonna upload a CSV file, and then click on add contacts and include in a new list, and just give your new list a name. Upload your contacts, and you're gonna have them available almost instantly in the contact section, and you can start mailing them. To mail your contacts, go back to marketing, then click on campaigns. They call it email campaigns. That's a pretty universal term. Then click on create campaign and select the template that you want to go with. Now, Sendgrid supports templates, and you can design a template yourself and send out an email using that template again and again. Or you could start with a blank template, click on continue, and the design editor is pretty powerful. When you click on build, you will see that it has got some blocks like buttons, columns, code. Now this is HTML raw code. You can put in text, you can put in images and text, and they've got spacers and dividers. So it's a pretty capable design module system to help you send emails. It's not too complicated, it's pretty easy. You can just drag and drop stuff like this, put in a button, then put in some text, and okay, just drag it like this, and you can change the text. This is my email, and this way you can craft a pretty interesting email to send to your customers. Now, Sendgrid supports both transactional and email marketing emails, so that's something positive, because you can send out your, if you got a SaaS or if you got something that involves delivering information to people like the passwords and all, you can send out transactional emails. But you can also build your email lists and send out campaigns. You can also do automations. So all of that is now possible with Sendgrid. It also lets you see how you're performing. You can see the stats. You can even clean emails. So if you want, you can actually clean your email list using Sendgrid. So it's a pretty capable email marketing platform. If you're looking for something that will help you send out emails without giving you a lot of trouble, then Sendgrid is the one. The only thing is, Sendgrid is expensive. It's not a cheap emailing platform. It will charge you for volume. That is, it's gonna charge you on top of a fixed fee, a variable fee depending on how many emails you're sending. So if you're somebody who emails daily to your list, you're probably gonna have to pay more to to Sendgrid for the overage charges. You will have to pay more for the volume that you send, and it can be pretty expensive. And in my experience, the delivery rate is actually lower than platforms like Aweber or GetResponse. So that's something you need to keep in mind, because in email marketing, the main game is of delivery. If your delivery is strong, you get paid, and if your delivery is not strong, you don't get paid. So make it a part of your business. But I primarily use it for transactional emails and automations. And automations work fine on Sendgrid, by the way, even if campaign emails don't. So make it a part of your business. You have to craft your strategy for each platform differently, separately. And on SendGrid, I think automations work very well.